Yo guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I found out a secret way to make tons and tons of money here in Animal Company. So what you're gonna need is a hoverboard and a big backpack. If you don't have these unlocked, you can find the big backpacks in like crates that you have to break open with the crowbar, and you can find these in those as well. But I recommend getting the hoverboards in the big crates at the present. So, that's all I'm gonna use. And actually, you know what? You might as well get a rocket just to help you so it's quicker. But we're gonna be making our way over to the Haunted Mansion. You might be saying, why do we want to go to the Haunted Mansion? Well, it's because I have a big backpack, there's lots of loot there, and all that loot gives you lots and lots of money. So, let's go head over there. Get away from me, ogre. And this is why I use my rocket, because all you have to do is like kind of go straight for a little bit. And then right here, you want to turn right. Whenever you can turn right here, turn right. Here we go. Alright. Now you just want to turn right, and then boom, Haunted Mansion. And guys, I am going to do the Wi-Fi glitch. So it's just quicker. It's not gonna be that quick this time because I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. But I might speed run it a little later into the video. Right through. And turn it back. Now we can just keep running. Oh my god, it's so laggy without Wi-Fi. That's crazy. Now I just gotta jump down. And then by the time, you should be back on. And look at all this loot, guys. This is why I picked Haunted House, because there's tons of loot, and you need the hoverboard to easily fly over to them. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna speed this part up. I'll have a full backpack, so let's go. Drop down now, and I'm gonna grab some more loot, so let's go. Okay guys, I don't have a full backpack, but this is definitely gonna get us through it. Can I make it up? Please? Oh yes. Alright, nice. And we head back to spawn. My eyeballs. Alright, now we're gonna head over to the money machine. Drop my hoverboard. See if I can get up here. I'm gonna go up here, actually. And then I like to drop them like down and right here to the side so they don't like fly out. Yeah guys, not a full backpack, but that's still a lot of money that we're gonna get. Look, watch this. Look how much money. Oh my. $8,000 in literally like 5 minutes. $8,000 in like 5 minutes. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try and speed run this one. Or actually, do I speed run this? Nah, I'm not gonna speed run it. Whee! show you guys how to get through it again. Oh no. Get away from me. Alright, again, we're just gonna fly straight over this wall. And then once you can turn right, turn right. And you'll be knowing if you'll know if you're going the right way if you see those red lights right here. I hear ogre and I don't like that. Alright, we already made it to haunted house. Look how easy that was. Wi-Fi off. Through the door. Wi-Fi back on. And just keep running. Drop down, and then our Wi-Fi should be back on. There we go. Nice, and now we can just make money again. Look how quick and easy that is, guys. That quick, and we're already down into the, like the zero gravity part of haunted house. Oh no. This one, I'm not gonna speed up. I'm gonna just make, oh no. I'm gonna just get these in my bag, and then I'll head down, so let's go. There's one down here, and there's, oh, that one's gonna be hard. That blue one might be a little hard. I'm gonna get up here and then go for it. I'm not getting that one down there. I'll get this one quick. Alright, now let's go on to this sign thingy, and then let's jump. Let's go, we made it. Alrighty. Now let's get some more. Oh no. The lady's down here. I don't like that. She can't do anything to me though unless I have a flashlight, right? I don't know. Boom. Oh, look at these right here. 2 corrupted? Right here, bro. Let's go. There's so many. There's one up there. No, I don't. They go like right here. Oh, I can make it right here. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Alright, I'll get this one and then I'm gonna fly across. Right here, I'm gonna fly across and get this one. Alright, let's drop down. Whee! Oh, there's a target right there if you guys are wondering. There's a target right there. Okay, my bag is more than halfway full already. So let's grab these ones. Hey guys, when you're doing haunted house, make sure you grab the ones like up in this area first before you go down there, because that thing like kind of pulls you down. Ooh! Oh, I got it. I don't know how I did, but I got it. So now let's go over here. Get that in our bag. Where am I at? Still not full, but that's all that we can get. Alright, let's go down. Perfect. Now let's go up here. Oh no, didn't make it. Dang it. Oh yeah, we got that. Take us away. Alright, perfect. And now we're going to go back to the money machine, drop our hoverboard, and then slowly waddle my way over here. I'm so heavy. And then we're gonna sell again. And if this happens, just grab it. Alrighty, now we got to sell. Nice. Alright, how much moolah? Yeah, that one was a lot less because I didn't get as much. But yeah, I think I'll run this a couple times off camera. But if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe, and let me know what abomination I should make, because I have frog, gorilla, polar bear, reindeer. So yeah, let me know what abomination I should make with my outfit and wear next video. Anyway, guys, see you all in the next one. Bye. Skiblity diddlity log diddy do, dingity.